So this is the KMV-18 FM transmitter. So basically this is a plug-in to your cigarette lighter port for power. This is a transmitter so that it could turn your ancient old non-Bluetooth radio into a Bluetooth radio where you could receive calls, make calls with a hands-free device, and it uses the radio station so that it could transmit through your car's antenna. And this is great for streaming anything from your phone, whether it be music or podcast, and also a hands-free cell phone device. Why would you need this? Because a lot of cars don't have Bluetooth, and if you're type to drive budget-friendly cars that don't have Bluetooth, then this puts you back into the future. Huge convenience, very budget-friendly. If you're not sure, you want to change the head unit for whatever reason to update it, then this is a perfect step before you change the head unit. So like in this car, I am not ready for a head unit. I will, but this will get me doing the things I need to do before I get there. So this also is capable of installing a micro SD card in the side. This way you could put music and it'll recognize it. It also has an aux cable if your radio is possible. And
waiting for pairing.
So it says waiting for pairing. I disconnected it and it just disconnected.
Paired.
So now it's paired and it's as quick as that. So it has an aux cable just in case you need it. It has the volume here. It tells you the volts, and it also has a USB charger right there. So all you need in one package. The gooseneck is very substantial. It enables it to be mounted in a wide variety of configurations. So this is a plug and play unit that will bring your car back into the future.